I forgot to record an intro for my last fishing trip video, so yeah, I just went out on the boat with my cousin and we're out there for like 6 hours just out in the bay, or past the bay, and then yeah, ended up getting 6 snapper, 1 gurnard, and then the kingfish, which you will see. So yeah, enjoy.
Real big, I tell you that.
Right, we're out on the ocean today, and it's been very, very slow going, but Shane's rod has decided to peel over, and
look at that.
we have, what do we got? Oh shit, you could get that off the beach these days. That would be a good live bait kawhai, that one. That's just fresh bait. They seem to like this. Some little penguins out here today. Another one over here. Oh, baby snapper. That ain't legal. It's a fucking catch and release. Well, we've had slow goings today, but right now Shane has a kingfish on. Well, we're thinking it's pretty powerful. Caught 2 little snapper, really, or legal, 1 gurnard, and now he's got the donkey on, so it's on. Hopefully it'll stay. Yeah, and your fresh bait. That's good. Got a Nisa in here as well. Yeah. That's a good one. You got the Kingy? Yeah. Fuck yeah. Well done.
Slow day.
Slow day. Got a
big, fucking got him.
Big fish. Right, where's our thing? Back this off.
Yeah.
That's me. Yee-hee. Nice one. Right. Successful. The fish is in the boat. You probably can't see it even if I tilt this down a bit. Okay. Can't see that that is just too fucking big. Right, turn that way a little bit. Now tilt it down if you can. Now tilt your body that way a little bit. Because the whole fish is so fucking big. Fuck yeah!
Yeah, got a picture.
Oh, no, that's your fish, man.
No, answer it.
No, that's your fish. Okay.
Oh, what a day.
Got it. Beautiful day. Beautiful fish. It's a big donkey. Well, my fish is a bit bloody small against Shane's fish. That's alright. So we come to probably the final bit now. Long, long day.
Oh, I lost them. Oh, kawhai.
We were hoping it was a snapper, the 6th one. We got 5, 1 kingfish, but look, here we go. Kawhai. We don't want that today. It's all I've caught today. but that's gonna go. See you later. Manu comp. Tiny.
Not a car on it. Oh, fuck.
It's tiny.
Those are like Kingfish King. Yes.
Finally, I got one. You did just say you wanted a snapper, so.
We need one more to do this.
That was 6.
Oh,
That was 6.
this is 6, yeah.
One snapper and one gurnard. Very cheap today. Put that fish on there. Wait, put on that one.
You just carry on.
Yep.
Can edit him out.
Yeah. Wow, check out your fish.
Woo. Look at Mum.
Oh, there's the kingfish.
There's the king. Should have put a bit of it though.
Bit of kingfish. Smoked.
She's smoking.
Raw.
Oh.